Okay, so for this problem, we are looking for the solutions to a system of equations. And solutions to any system of equation, whether you have two lines or if you have a linear equation and a quadratic equation or whatever type of lines or graphs that you have, is always going to be the intersection. So where the graphs intersect. So in this case, we have an intersection point, a point of intersection there. Oops, no, I don't want to do that. And a point of intersection here. Okay, so two different ones, one right here and one here. Actually, I'm going to circle it like this. Okay, there we go. All right, and we just need to figure out what this point is. Now remember that when we write our points in our coordinate pairs, x always comes first and y comes second. The x is how far away from the origin it is on the horizontal axis, and the y is how far away it is from the origin on the vertical axis or the y-axis. So starting with this point, we're not going anywhere to right. We're staying right there, right? We didn't move. We just went down. So our x value is 0 because we didn't move anywhere. We just went down. So on the y-axis, we go down 1, 2, 3. Because we moved down, that's negative, so that would be 0, -3. That's our first point. So our second point is up here in our first quadrant. And we did move on the x-axis this time, so we moved over 1, 2, 3, 4. Because as we see, that like lines up with the point. So 4 is our x value. And then from there, we went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And because we went up and because we went to the right, both of those are going to be positive values. So our solutions are going to be 0, -3, and 4, 5. Now, if you want to check this, you can plug them into both of the equations and make sure that it matches so that you're getting the same y value if you put, like you're getting -3 if you plug in 0 and you're getting 5 if you plug in 4 for both the equations. For this particular example, I'm going to leave it as it is here, but it is always prudent to check because you could have counted wrong or something could have gone wrong. So usually check, but for this example, I'm going to leave it here. So there you have it. So the solution to a system of equations is where the graphs intersect. There may be more than one if they intersect at more than one spot.